Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life. I'm standing by the I Love Paphos sign. It's Tuesday morning at 10:30 and I'm going to walk along the seafront and harbour. It's a bit cloudy, but not too bad. Sun's out again, I can feel it. Quite muggy now because it's the second film. I'm not going to do more than 2 in this heat, I think. What else to say about the weather? It's not very humid at night, which is good. It's better than it has been in the past. I can't tell you a temperature thing because the screen up here doesn't seem to be working at the moment. It's probably something in the 30s though. It seems quite quiet at the moment, but we were here Sunday evening doing some shots for our Calispera page and it was heaving. It really was. So there are people here, they're just not here at the moment. Probably lazing by the pool or down at the beach somewhere. Who can blame them? Oh, there we go. According to that thermometer, it's 27.1 degrees centigrade, but I do not believe that in the slightest. A few days ago it was saying it was 0, so. But I can see it's 6 minutes past 10 on the 7th of July. Oh, and the Jolly Roger is leaving the harbour. You'll be able to hear some raucous pirates singing. That will be the Jolly Roger. Featured them in a recent drone film I did a couple of days ago as well. Right, so this is the municipal baths. I won't go down there because there may well be people changing. Paphos Diamonds have got their closing down prices still. And because it's quiet, no one's at the Fish Boy. So, I will not miss this opportunity to get a close-up with him. Now, sometimes that boat will do a weird rocking thing. I saw it once and thought it was in trouble. It's quite impressive when you see it. I'll keep one eye. That girl looks like she might be heading there. I'll cut her off. Good, no, she started running now anyway. So, here we are. Creation of Kato Paphos. Little Fisherman is a very popular attraction at Paphos Seafront. There's a couple of swimmers over there. There we are. And there's a Little Fisherman's fish. God, that reminds me of that big mouth billy bass, whatever it was called. Do you remember that? Things like that. Say to me that we can't roll our eyes too much about what current generations are doing when we had stuff like that. Anyway, there's many arguments that could start, or discussions rather. Don't think it's going to do anything surprising. Oh, the water's been splashing up there. Now, it'll be far too early for the wooden pub to be open, I'd imagine. God, I'm feeling the heat. No way is it just 27. There's Pizza Express through there as well, and you can get Greek heroes at Bacchus Greek Tavern. And you've got the Paphos Seafront's own little beach just up here. As there's no one on it, I'll go and have a look at that in a minute. There'll be some marketing first though. So if you like our films, please do subscribe to our YouTube channels. That's Paphos Life for this kind of film and the regular driving films. And Cypress Panoramas for the 360 version. Doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. And it really does help us out with the mysterious YouTube algorithm. And if you do want to help us out financially, go to our Buy Me a Coffee page at buymeacoffee.com/Paphos Life. There you can chuck us a few coffees, all of which are very gratefully received, and tend to go to buy more camera equipment anyway, so it's win-win. There's Mar Bianco restaurant and cafe bar. If you want to get something back in return, go to our Zazzle store at zazzle.co.uk/Paphos Life. There you can chuck us a few profit. No, you can't. There you can buy merchandise featuring pictures that we've taken and stuck on all sorts of things like tote bags, phone cases, calendars, and they're rolling calendars, so you can get one that starts in August if you want and finishes in 1 year, 2 years, whatever. Up to you. So have a look there. And finally, if you subscribe to our Facebook page, Paphos Life, it's only 99p a month and you'll get extra films and pictures that no one else gets to see. So it's got to be worth it. Right, that's the end of the marketing. Try a free dive today with Side Dive, and this is where they launch. And they go out and see the ancient Paphos city wall that's out there underwater. At one point there was also some little statues underwater, but I don't know if they're still there though. There's the Captain's View restaurant and the moorings. The moorings came joint top in our survey we did a couple of months ago on Paphos restaurants. That's worth knowing. And after the moorings, you'll get Stephanie Rose, and there's also a nice ice cream parlour. It's our favourite one. There's the ice cream. There's Stephanie Rose. Sorry, English Rose. Yeah, Stephanie Rose is the cake shop up in Old Town. That could have been confusing. English Rose is down here. I do apologise to both of them. Now you've got some of the stalls. You've got the sponge guy. I can't see him anywhere. He might be there getting some water. He's moving it from one bucket to another. Now it's a fisherman doing that. Got your name on a grain of rice person. Got some hair braiding getting set up. You've got the Solomeo restaurant and the Harbour restaurant next to it. And I'm getting hot. There's a cleaner for Paphos. Full marks. They keep the harbour area spick and span. This fisherman's serious. You've got 3 rods all supporting each other. There's a family with a little kiddie over there, so I'll go this way for a change. Past the kiosk. I'm beginning to melt. See what sort of things you can buy there. Turtles, rather obvious. Little trolls of some description. Don't know what that is. Oh. Now these boats you can see on the left, Ocean Vision and Wave Dance, so they'll both be going out in the not too distant future, like the Jolly Roger did. Take people out on their day tours or half day tours, and you can see people going along the jetty to get there. The Ocean Vision beginning to fill up. We do publish on numerous places links to the Viator site, because it's run by the people who do TripAdvisor, and you can compare all sorts of tours. You can book online, read reviews, that sort of thing. See what's available when you're coming. And say if you're coming on holiday in October and you want to know what tours you can still book then, that's the place to look. So look in the description for a Viator link. And description, I mean the YouTube description. Sunset cruises and glass bottom boat cruises. Now I'm not going to tell you anything about that because I'm sure this lady I'm approaching will tell you. She's getting all ready to do her pitch. Morning! And let's have your pitch.
Okay, good morning, Kalimera from Paphos.
Oh.
We are the Super Jumbo Glass Bottom Boat Trip and we have 4 fantastic cruises now. We have a short cruise, 90 minutes, at 11 o'clock and 1 o'clock, and we have 2.5 hours with the fun side and food at 3, and a gorgeous sunset cruise from 6 till 8 with food and hotels.
Excellent.
Yeah, it's beautiful this time of year.
It is. It's nice and warm though, isn't it? But we're not complaining about the warmth, are we? We're not allowed to.
That's why people come on holiday.
Anyway, cheers.
Okay, so Dominic, have a beautiful day.
Let's get some more of the... You've got Little Stall for Ocean Vision up here as well. Oh, I'm feeling the heat. And beyond that stall, there's King's Restaurant and Theo's Restaurant. We might get to see Coco. I can't guarantee Coco, but he is around, or she. But this is the Harbour area now, the Harbour restaurants. And they won't be getting busy here till the lunchtime crowd move in. So this is the lull before the storm, so to speak. Lots of cruises down there you can take. I can see Henry up ahead. Coco about, go and see him. There's Sail at Castle. And here is the man.
This is my good friend, Mr. Dominic.
Oh, he's chatting someone up now.
Welcome for a coffee later. Oh, you have one? Yes, that's all right. That's all right. Welcome back. Good morning. Just talking rubbish. My ears are wrong.
Trying to get someone who's got a coffee in their hand.
I'm telling you.
Morning, Calamera.
Loving it.
Oh, I wouldn't mind one actually.
There
I've
you
just
go.
got to go up there and finish, but I'll be back by the time.
There you go.
Just white regular, please. No sugar.
White coffee.
Yeah, no sugar. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I was
What's
off
that?
yesterday.
You were off?
Yeah, I had a little bit of.
Well, it's Monday, isn't it?
Yeah, Monday, every Monday, as usual.
Have you lost any money on the footy recently?
No, not really.
All win, win, win?
Losing again. That is it. Back to work
Oh,
now.
did you post that film you said you were going to post?
The editing.
Editing? What
I
editing?
did the video.
What editing?
I have to some rubbish speech. I have to cut some off.
Oh, so it's not you, basically.
It's me basically. But it is.
You can't describe it as rubbish.
Not like you can just put anything like that, way as it is. But I have to edit some.
He's crawling, isn't he, badly. Anyway, I'll let you get on, and I'll see you in a tick. Cheers. Well, that's nice of them, getting you a coffee. I do appreciate that. Anyway, there's Ocean Basket. Yes, editing is the scourge of anyone who has to make this kind of film. I tend to do as little of it as possible, as you may have noticed. Just because if you do a lot of them, the tendency to use an existing film and redo some of the defaults is quite high. But then you might miss something out, so you have the wrong title appearing. If you wonder why that happens. It's a consequence of being very, very, very low budget. Actually, the ice cream parlour is not open at the moment. I think this place is called something like Enfo. And that actually translates to at sea, which makes perfect sense when you consider its location. But it's the where they have the artisan market, though. In July and August, there were a lot of events happening there, like poster exhibitions and all sorts there. So do check us out. I did a what's happening in Cyprus, in Paphos, blog article. That's new. Fairly certain that pattern hasn't been on that wall until recently, or am I just completely mad? Has that been there always? Well, I've only just noticed it. That's strange. Anyway, this is Aphrodite's, modern Aphrodite rather. Yeah, so if you want to find out what's happening in Paphos, check out the What's Happening in Paphos blog article on our Paphos Live website. Anyway, I'm going to finish now because I'm far too hot and there's a coffee waiting for me back at Steve's. So I'll give you a nice shot of Aphrodite's polished bottom, and I can assure you she wouldn't object. And I'll say thank you very much for watching, and we shall see you in the next film. Cheers!